first impression kay Coach Jed. Ako sobrang tahimik. Parang ayaw niya magsalita. Nung kaming dalawa lang, ayaw niya magsalita. Wala lang siyang choice kundi kausapin ako. Kasi kung hindi, paano niya ako tuturuan?
Sa akin wala, parang formal. Na wala lang, very formal and yet tahimik siya. So, gets naman kasi parang same kami introverted.
Ako din eh. Joke hindi.
Yeah.
Si Coach Zed kasi nung nag-start ako sa Sky High, nandun na siya. So, he is always working out on his own. Tapos sobrang tahimik, he do his own program. Kaya akala ko masungit yan. Pero nung tumagal, nag-join na yan sa class. Tapos nagkasama na kami sa mga competition. Doon mo makikita na or pag mas nakilala mo siya na sobrang cool.
First impression kay Coach Jed, mataray at hindi, wag na lang mataray. Bura. Tahimik at snabero. First impression ko kay Coach Jed, sobrang tahimik niya. Hindi ko akalain na coach siya. Lalo na nung sinabi pa ni Coach Robert na magko-coach siya ng CrossFit, na parang ibang-iba yung aura niya kay Coach Robert. Kaya nung nag-sit-in ako one time sa class niya, sabi ko, uy, ang kalmante na coach siya, parang ayos lang. Ang cool na coach ni Coach Jed. Tapos sumasabay din siya sa trip. Hindi siya tulad ni Coach Robert na ang lakas mang-asa. Parang dadamayan ka talaga niya. Yun.
My first impression of Coach Jed is actually tropa, friend. Kasi more than a coach, matagal ko na siyang friend because of Resonate and even biking. Maraming beses na kami nag-long rides and even ODAX together. So, really, more than a coach, I consider him as a close friend. So, ayun yung first impression ko. Pero, it didn't last din naman kasi nakita ko yung pagiging coach niya, yung side niya of being a coach, very athletic, strong, and inspiring. That's very helpful din, lalo na as someone who is new to CrossFit and walang experience.
Hi, Coach Jed. So, my first impression of you is actually medyo masungit ka. So, but maybe you were just busy because I met you during the first year anniversary of Off-Grid. So, and then of course, thank you so much for all your advice and all your help throughout my lifting journey, because as we all know, I'm not really good at it. But because of your assistance, I was able to do things that I never thought I could accomplish with a barbell.
Okay, first impression ko kay Coach Jed, medyo serious, pero ano naman, very approachable naman yung ano niya, yung demeanor niya all the time. Tapos, he was very easy to get along with. Tapos lalo na coming from doing CrossFit for some time with Sina Bliss and si Sugar. So, marami kaming nagkasunduan with that. So I think we got along pretty well from the start naman din. So, yun.
Thank you na ikaw yung una kong coach after ng injury sa CrossFit. Nakikita ko na medyo alalay ka sa akin, which is na-appreciate ko. Since medyo alangan din ako nung una.
So first impression kay Coach Jed. So sa kanya, akala ko talaga siya, lang siya talaga nun. Akala ko member lang siya dun sa gym na sobrang lakas mag-workout.
First impressions, actually matagal na kami nag-meet ni Coach Jed sa coffee shop, so sa Resonate. So before pa lang siya maging coach sa Off-Grid, magkakilala na kami. So nakita ko na nag-workout siya under Coach Robert. So yun, sila na nagtatanong-tanong na ako. Tapos naman, lagi niyang ina-entertain. Tapos yun, muntik na akong mag-go kay Coach Robert, pero parang nahihiya ako. So undecided ako nun. So talagang na-push ko na lang yung mag-workout and mag-gym nung sinabi ni Coach Jed na siya na nga yung coach and starting sa bagong gym sa Off-Grid. So yun yung entry point ko talaga sa pag-workout. So thankful ako dahil ang talagang masasabi kong, ang talagang unang coach ko, si Coach Jed. So very thankful na yun yung naging entry point ko na to be healthy, to start working out. So yun na yung parang hindi na mawawala. Si Coach Jet talaga yung first coach ko. So sobrang thankful.
Most memorable experience ko talaga is yung latest hike namin sa Mount Mariglim. Grabe, kasama ko si Coach Jed, si Ate Kate, tsaka si Steph dun sa kolong-kolong. Tapos, grabe tumilapon kami. Magkasama kami ni Coach Jed dun sa harap. Tapos nung pag-uwi namin, magkatalikuran na kami. Tapos sabi niya, Lord, nararamdaman mo ba? Hawak ko yung bag mo. Baka kasi tumilapo ka. Tapos tinatawanan niya ako every time kasi nung kasama ko siya sa pulag. Hindi ko sila nakasama sa peak. Pero nakakuha ko ng certificate. Tapos ang sama ng loob ni Coach Jed. Kasi lahat kami may certificate kahit di ko natapos. So yun yung hiking moments namin, yung memorable moment ko kay Coach.
And pinaka-memorable sa akin yung wall balls talaga. Kasi namaga ako ng isang linggo. So yun yung parang welcome back ko. And ngayon medyo hindi na rin ako nagsasore dahil sa programming natin. So yun.
Tapos, most memorable experience with Coach Jed? Or so, ano daw naaalala when you say Coach Jed?
Ako yung negotiation skills ko walang effect kay Coach Jed. For example, sabihin ko sa kanya sa thrusters, Coach, lang ako? 5 lang ako dyan or 10. Sabi niya, hindi, nagawa mo dati ganito, 20 ka. Parang, hindi ko kaya yun. Pero paggawa ko, kaya ko nga. So yun, pinupush ako ni Coach Jed na dagdagan ko yung weights. Parang nakakatuwa naman kasi meron siyang believe sa akin na kaya ko naman talaga yung weights. Yeah.
Sa akin parang similar. Pero yung akin, kung pinapatulan niya yung reklamo mo, sa akin, lang siya. Hindi kanya reklamo ako, hindi niya papansinin, pero lalagyan niya ng plates. Parang wala kang choice gagawin, no? Pero totoo naman, napupush talaga yung limit. Saka yun, nakakatuwa na parang hindi kasi simangutan. kahit puro reklamo.
Tsaka parang pala siyang police. Parang siyang police kasi nakabantay siya. Yung halimbawa, minsan parang gusto mo nang dayain yung reps. Parang, oy, dalawa ka pa. Okay.
Totoo.
Most memorable experience. Parang first time ata mag-back squat na PR yon and parang ang baba pa ng PR ko nun pero kitang-kita ko kung gaano ka-supportive si Coach Jed nung nireview ko yung footage ng form ko. Parang nung iangat ko yung bar with the weights, kitang-kita talaga na supportive siya and happy na na-achieve ko yung PR niya. So, actually related to that, when you say Coach Jed, naisip ko agad is supportive, kind, helpful, ganon. Kasi, as someone new to CrossFit, yun talaga yung nararamdaman ko, mas naiengganyo ako kasi very helpful and supportive si Coach na wala kang takot pagpapasok ko ng gym, na hindi mo gets yung range, hindi mo gets yung motion ng workout or yung actual technique needed for the workout. It doesn't matter kasi he will walk you through it step by step. So I really appreciate it.
And then most memorable experience, actually every time memorable kasi yan, masaya lang yung namin, yung class. Parang very friendly environment, very friendly sa marunong na, very friendly sa beginner. So para kaming talagang naglalaro lang doon and working out at the same time. So talagang every day is a memorable day and a fun day sa gym.
Alala mo. So, memorable experience sa akin talaga yung mga times na nuturuan niya ako mag-ollies. As in, sobrang patient niya sa akin kahit na minsan or nung mga time na hindi ko siya masyado napipick up. Pero parang talagang nakabantay lang siya nun. So, super thankful ako dun. Tapos, Coach Jed, anong maalala ko sa kanya? Siguro, vibes. Like, ang ganda nung vibes niya in general, yung aura niya mismo. So, siguro, kung hindi ako nakadiet nung mga past months na yun. Siguro lagi akong kasama dun sa mga cafe go-tos niya. Tsaka, to be honest, isa siya sa mga tao sa gym or isa siya sa mga coaches sa gym na gusto kong makaklose dahil dun sa aura na pinoproject niya around him.
Most memorable experience when you say Coach Jed, walang memorable.
Alam ko yung sasabihin niya.
Si Jello na nga lang
Hindi, yung kahit magmakaawa ka kay Coach Jed, titignan ka lang niya ng with dead eyes. Tapos, sige, gawin mo lang. Hindi kaya papatawarin. Kailangan mo tapusin lahat. Parang kahit magpa-cute ka, kahit magpaawa ka, kahit bigyan mo siya ng lagay, basta kailangan gawin mo pa rin yung wala siyang pakialam.
I'll always remember the time na nung nag-try ng bar muscle ups kasi nawalan ako ng bar muscle ups after the pandemic. Tapos talagang he kept on pushing, telling me the little techniques on how I can get it. Nakuha ko siya, pero hindi nakita ni Coach Jed yun. Tapos nung pinipilit na namin ulitin, hindi na maulit-ulit. Pero definitely, it was because of all Coach's tips. Kaya nakuha ko. When you say Coach Jed, ang naalala ko is yung mga worship songs niya. For some reason, yun ang lagi ko naalala. Sometimes when we work out, very similar kay Coach Andrew na laging may worship songs and he brings his faith sa floor in spite of everything, and I can tell it's very important to him. It's something to look up to. I think a lot of us should look up to that.
Coach Jed, actually rin yung isip ko parati. Una yung nag-yes siya na siya yung mag-handle ng morning class. Yun sobrang natuwa ako kasi nung time na yun, nagpapahanap sila bossing ng mag-handle ng class. Wala talaga akong maisip. Tapos si Coach Jed lang talaga yung naalala ko na parang ready nung time na yun. So nung nag-yes siya, sobrang saya ko kasi alam mo nga mag-handle dun sa class. Kaya alam ko na ma-handle yung class. And then secondly, kapag kami mga competition, si Coach Jed yung lagi yung pinatatanungan kung paano mo i-approach yung workout, paano mo i-pacing, and then sobrang meticulous when it comes to paghati yung workout, paano mo i-approach yung workout, and all.
So, farewell message. Coach, alam ko magkikita pa tayo sa mga coffee shops. And, ayun, see you around. And then, good luck sa bagong journey mo. We're hoping for you to be successful. We're rooting for you always. And then, yan, kita-kita pa rin. And then, yeah.
Also, I just want to say thank you so much for being a part of Off-Grid and of course leading the morning class. And I just want you to know that you always have a house here. Pag natatraffic ka na masyado doon, you can always come back.
Thank you, Coach Jed, for believing in me. So, I'm so happy na ikaw yung first ever naging coach ko sa fitness journey ko. So, alam mo kung ano yung goal ko na gusto ko talaga mag-gain ng weight. And pinupush mo ako to believe in myself as well. So, I really appreciate that. And the fact na hindi mo ako ginudge na pagpasok ko dito, bakit may payat dito ng gym. Parang I appreciate that. And I wish you all the best. And hindi naman ito goodbye kasi for sure makikita-kita pa tayo dito na naman tayo sa iyo. So let's just see you later. And I hope you inspire more people pa to get on their fitness journey.
Ako, Coach Jed, nainis kita. Doon naiyakin pa nung. Yun lang. Hindi, nakakatawa naman. Kasi at least pag, alam mo yun, yung pagkasabi ko na magka-crossfit na ako ulit or mag-gym na ako ulit. Nakakatawa naman na parang ikaw yung una, tapos parang like halos pareho tayo ng vibe. Yikes, tahimik. Hindi, age-wise lang. Age-wise, tapos alam mo yun, parang kakaintindihan tayo, tapos parang parang ano yun, parang madali
Easy
kayo
to work with,
approach.
yeah.
Oo, tapos Tapos, yun lang, kahit kala mo okay yung negotiation skills mo, hindi pala. Pero hindi mo ma-feel kasi nga, good ba? Ayun, coach, we understand naman what you have to do. Kasi for career growth, we know that. And we
Support
really,
you all.
yeah, we support you all the way. Just pray na talaga yung gusto mo, achieve mo talaga in your timeline. Tapos, yun, nakakatawa nung nakikita namin yung progress mo from being a coach. Di ba sabi ni Coach Robert, you were the ones parang mga first na nagko-crossfit alone, na parang mag-isa na hindi na kailangan ng coach. Tapos to being a coach, to having your own website, and to planning to have your own merch also. Tapos now, going to Neptune, we're so happy. God bless you. We'll miss you and see you.
And Coach Jed, so good luck sa bago mong career as Coach Jed. And so, continue growing sa pagiging coach. And good luck and God bless. Let's go.
Was message kay Coach Jed. Gusto kitang sikmuraan. Bakit
Dapat si Jello na nga talaga.
Huwag ka umalis. Joke lang. Pero happy for you dahil gusto mo naman talaga yung CrossFit forever. And more power to you. Excited kami na makita ka namin sa CrossFit Games 2071. Masters edition. Tapos mas excited kami na makita kayong kinakasal.
Message ko for Coach, good luck sa next adventure mo. And of course, deserve mo yan. Siyempre, Coach Metcon with Coach Justin. Sobrang siguro dyan ka na talaga dinala ng coaching journey mo. Nakita talaga nila yung potential mo, lalo na nakita sa'yo ni Coach Robert, nakita sa'yo ng students mo, lalo na ng off-grid. Sobrang grateful ako na nakasama kita dito sa off-grid na naging coach ka namin and nag-flourish yung friendship natin dito sa gym. Lalo na yung pagsasamahan natin dati nila Coach Andrew dito. And thank you din sa pagbuo ng community ng off-grid.
First of all, gusto ko mag-thank you sa inyo sa pagsama niyo sa akin sa classes, and isa kayo sa reason kung bakit naging comfortable ako agad sa OG in a span of a few months. Gusto ko lang i-wish sa inyo all the best and good luck din sa future endeavors nyo, which is Pioneer.
My message for Coach Jed is that sana makapag-bike pa tayo kahit sobrang busy ko, tsaka ikaw rin siguro busy. Pero sana you keep in touch with everyone, lalo na sa off-grid na morning class, kasi I can see that everyone loves you and considers you not just a coach but as a friend. So, kasi ang daming eat-outs, ang daming hangouts with everyone. So, I hope everyone keeps in touch.
Coach Jed, Coach, thank you for everything. Salamat sa pagtanggap sa akin and always looking out after me, regardless of injury, regardless of kung kumusta yung araw, kung pagod man or not, you keep on telling us to do our best. Overall, being a really good coach. I would say na ikaw na siguro yung parang pinakamalapit kong coach among all my coaches. And I really appreciate our friendship and hope to see you around kahit na nasa Metcon ka na and all. So, thank you, Coach Jed, for everything.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Coach!
Thanks, Coach. Bye. Thank you, Coach. Thank you and see you.
Thank you, Coach Jed.
Thank you, Coach. Good luck.
Thanks,
Coach Jed.
Thank you, Coach.
Thanks, Coach Jed. Ingat.